How are you feeling?
Wow, amazing. How you are feeling?
Good.
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Can I sit here? Any more?
આજको बर्थडे પાર્ટીમાં तपाईहरु सबैलाई स्वागत छ। क्या हाल खबर छ? आज के बर्थडे पार्टी के बाद सब लोगों के मुख से 2 शब्द आने चाहिए नेपाली। गजब लाग्यो। अब ये गजब लाग्यो कब मुमकिन होगा, कब होगा बोलो? अगर गजब लाग्यो, हम जो चाहते गजब लाग्यो, मैं वो जो वहाँ पर एक कॉपी बैठ करना पड़ेगा गजब लाग्यो, सबको एंजॉय करना पड़ेगा। करेक्ट? सबको एंजॉय करना पड़ेगा, सबको एकदम अपने दिल से एंजॉय करना पड़ेगा और ऐसा समझना है कि बर्थडे किसका है? हमारा है, खुद का है। ये तो सिर्फ नाम के लिए है, इसका तो सिर्फ नाम के लिए बर्थडे किसका है? हमारा है, हम सबका है। और आज के इस बर्थडे पार्टी में मैंने आप सबको खुश करने के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ नेपाली आइटम सॉन्ग्स, नेपाली पार्टी सॉन्ग्स और सब कुछ और नेपाली गाने और नेपाली आइटम सॉन्ग। हमारे चेयरमैन रास्ते में शुरू हो चुके थे नेपाली आइटम सॉन्ग पर। वो सॉन्ग कौन सा एक बार बताइए ना। So the surprise is over. We are going down again.
कता हिँडेको ब्युटी भएर हट भएर पट भएर हामी हेरेको हेरे हामी हेरेको हेरे हामी हेरेको हेरे हामी हेरेको हेरे।
डोला डोला क्या बर्थडे गिफ्ट दिया? तो डोनाल्ड ने बड़े प्यार से कहा शुभकामनाएं दी। तो मैंने कहा भाई शुभकामनाएं तो रोज ही देते होंगे, रोज मैं प्रेयर करता हूं, आज शुभकामनाएं दी, क्या बात है। अब आज का जो हमारा एक बहुत ही अनोखा सा जो एक गेट टुगेदर है, बर्थडे बजाना है, चितनारायण को खूब बर्थडे बम देना है। तो आज हम लोग क्या करेंगे, मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा आज मिस्टर चोबा से। मिस्टर चंद प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड बिफोर दैट।
I'm feeling wonderful and really amazing. Really, I don't know what I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling that's not good.
In the words of Mr. Chen, we'll say, "You're beautiful, lovely. Why you're so handsome?" Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Habibi.
Habibi. Why so sweet?
Why so sweet? You are handsome number 2 because handsome number 1 I am there. So yes. So we are going to start this wonderful evening with some unique dialogues of Chen, which you all know what he has used with you. वो उसका एक बहुत अच्छा पैतरा है, पता है? वो जो डायलॉग चोबा को मारेगा वही डायलॉग मुझे भी मारेगा। तो हम दोनों को छोड़ के जो थर्ड डायलॉग किसी और को देता है ना वो मारता है। अब ये बात हमें समझ में आ चुकी है, करेक्ट? तो आज हम चितनारायण की पोल खोलने वाले। क्या करने वाले? पोल खोलने वाले। पोल खोलने का एक बहुत सिंपल तरीका है। मैं मिस्टर चोबा से स्टार्ट करूंगा। हर बंदे को यहाँ पे सोचना है। क्या सोचना है? आपने ये जो बंदा दिख रहा है सीधा साधा भोला भाला, ये जलेबी जैसा सीधा है ध्यान, जलेबी जैसा सीधा है। तो ये जो सीधा साधा भोला भाला दिख रहा है यहाँ पर, उसके बारे में आपके दिल में, आपके जहन में कोई तो एक ऐसी मेमोरी होगी, कोई तो ऐसे किस्सा होगा जो आपको लगता है कि ये मैंने आज बताना चाहिए और इसकी पोल क्या करनी चाहिए, इसकी पोल खोलनी चाहिए। खास करके आपके पास ऐसे किस्से होंगे जब आप इसके साथ हो और ये कोई लड़की को देख रहा है, ब्यूटीफुल हबीबी, ऐसा कुछ तो करता होगा, अरे यस और नो, देखो सब एक साथ बोल रहे हैं। तो आज की शुरुआत हम करेंगे मिस्टर चोबा से, बिकॉज ये चेत को बहुत बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, अंदर से बाहर से दोनों से। यस मिस्टर चेत, चोबा, प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड।
Before that, if anyone is doing live, please unfriend with my wife. If anyone is doing live, please unfriend my wife.
He's scared now.
No, see, I have a solution for that. Don't worry. Yes, please. No, see, I have a solution for that. Don't worry. Yes, please.
That means together.
Yeah, Mr. Choba.
Okay, I know the Chet from the long time. Since he came in Dubai, I know very well from Dubai. I think this is around 6-7 years before we went to Dubai. From past 5 years, we are always talking and discussing. So he is very genuine, very positive person, hardworking. Everything he do positive. On his word, I am taking no. This is we should not do this. But he is why? Think positive, it will be positive. So he is so positive for anything. That's I know about him.
Perfect. So what we understand, अभी Mr. Choba ने जो एक बहुत beautiful word Mr. Choba shared, and every one of us over here agree. And now, whenever you come forward, you should not include that word. And what you must include not is positive. Everyone here will say that Mr. Chet is very positive. Yes or no? Yes. You have witnessed that? Yes. I myself have witnessed that. So he is a very positive person. Very good. So after Mr. Choba, I'll ask Mr. Netra to come forward. Raju, Netra, Urf. Netra Bastian.
Thank you, Mr. Nilam for calling me. And happy birthday to you, Mr. Chair. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Chair. मैं आप सबको मिस्टर चेत के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा। मिस्टर चेत जो है always positive. There is no negative, nothing. That's positive man. So that's why I love him. I love you and happy birthday. Thank you.
So दो पॉजिटिव हो चुके हैं, पहला एक पॉजिटिव हो गया, दूसरा एक पॉजिटिव हो गया। मैं देख रहा हूँ नए क्वालिटीज क्या आ रहे हैं मिस्टर चेत के। एंड बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, देखो ऊपर हम सबने एक वादा किया है, आज की शाम कैसे होगी, एकदम हसीन होगी, रंगीन होगी। कैसे होगी? हसीन और रंगीन होगी। वो कब होगी? जब हम जीनियरली पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे। सो यस, आई रिक्वेस्ट से यू नेम रिकी जी, प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड। आई फॉरगॉट, सॉरी रिकी जी, बिकॉज आप आते नहीं हो ना, सिर्फ फोन पे बात करते हो।
Thank you for advising me. I'm happy to see you. So about regarding the Mr. Chair, he's very good friend and like a brother, whatever we have. So he's whatever he just created something positive, get the positive. That's I like it. I know sometimes time is moving around. Sometimes it will be looks different.
Correct.
But this time. But whatever he has a heart is think positive, getting positive.
Very good.
And accepting him whatever you have to in mind. Thank you so much.
Great. So now the three positive people come forward. You will at least give 3 birthday bumps to this positive person. The 3 positive persons. Netra ji, Ricky ji.
Yes, please.
Netra ji. Okay, I'll call you later. Okay, fine. Yes, our chairman, Mr. Vishnu ji, please come forward. Without your input about Mr. Chet, this birthday will not be complete. So yes, Mr. Vishnu ji will come out with something very surprising, definitely positive what we already have heard, but something very unique which definitely only Mr. Vishnu ji knows. Yes.
Thank you very much. And first of all, very very happy birthday to Chet Narayan. ठीक है ना? अब ये what exactly the other people says, he is a very positive person and all these things, we know all that. ठीक है? तो what we don't know about the Chet Narayan, one of the funny thing, he speaks English words, very different words. And sometimes उन इंग्लिश वर्ड्स का जो मीनिंग है, अगर हम लिटरल मीनिंग में या फिर जो जनरल यूज के मीनिंग में अगर हम देखेंगे, it seems very very funny.
For example.
So no, I don't like to say the for example. And उसके बावजूद भी एक चीज है कि generally as a friend या as a boss, मैं चेत नारायण को जब भी कोई चीज मैं अपनी डिससेटिस्फैक्शन जब चेत नारायण के सामने रखता हूँ, तो मैं गुस्से में रखता हूँ, तब भी वो कहता है हंस के, हो जाएगा सर, हाँ जी सर, कोई बात नहीं सर, हो जाएगा सर. एंड वो बहुत ही एक मीन्स many people has used the positive word और always है ना, किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पे स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन होता है, कभी कभार हम जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस है वो मीट नहीं होती हैं, डिस्पाइट दैट. और चेत नारायण हमेशा he says everything will be done, and that's the attitude he brings in a positive way in the organization. Thank you Chet Narayan. Happy birthday again.
Thank you, Vishnu ji. Yes, sir. Sitting calmly over there, but he is little bit tolling. Who is that person who is tolling? Mr. Dolraj. Dolraj, please come forward. Yes. Dolraj, the brother of, brother from same mother.
Brother from same mother.
Brother from same mother.
Okay, Somika, namaskaram. भाई को हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. और आज मेरे को इतना मुश्किल में बना दिया कि मेरे को बहुत फंसा दिया, क्योंकि बोलता है कौन खोलने का है सर जी, मेरा हिंदी में ज़्यादा नहीं आता, समझ लीजिए. तो अभी मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन करूँगा कि आपका माँ, कोई दूसरा आदमी बोला कि आपका बेटा कैसा है, तो माँ क्या आंसर देगी माँ? तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन करके मेरे तो कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं. मैं आज क्या करने वाला था कि कोई आदमी पोल खोलेगा, नेगेटिव बात करेगा भी, मैं फाइट करूंगा कि पॉजिटिव भी है. तो अभी तक सब पॉजिटिव बात कर दिया, तो आप जैसा दोस्त मिला, तो भाई ऐसे अच्छा है, भाई को हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. ओके डॉक्टर सर बोलने का चांस दिया.
रुको तुम यहाँ पे. Yeah.
You are also invited in this birthday celebration. So he is your manager over here, right? Yeah, he is manager of this SIP.
Thank you for giving us a wonderful gathering over here. Thank you very much. Yes. सोना जी, मैं चाहता हूँ कि चेत नारायण ने मुझे एक बात कही थी आपकी बचपन की, जब आप अक्सर उसके लिए लड़ते थे, और करेक्ट चेत नारायण, आप गैंगस्टर थे बचपन में, बराबर, बहुत लोगों को मारते थे. तो कोई ऐसा किस्सा चेत नारायण का आप शेयर करना चाहोगे खास करके, जो ये डरपोक था कि कैसा था? एक तो मुझे बताया उसने मम्मी ने उसके उंगलियों को मारा था. तेरी कसूर नहीं, तेरे उंगलियों का कसूर है, पता है, खाने के लिए. कोई ऐसा किस्सा याद है? कोई ऐसा शेयर करना चाहो?
अभी मैं क्या बोलूँगा कि मैं जब जापान में रहता था उस टाइम में हस्बैंड वाइफ को झगड़ा होता था। उस टाइम में क्या होता है, जापानीज का थिंकिंग में क्या है, जिस घर में हस्बैंड वाइफ को कभी कभी महीना में एक दो बार झगड़ा नहीं है, उसका अच्छा प्रेम नहीं है। ऐसे हमारा भी बचपन में जो भी किस्सा होता था तो उसके लिए अभी गुना गुना से
दुलारे अमित जी, प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड अमित जी। एक अक्सर ऐसा कहते हैं, मूर्ति लहान पर कीर्ति महान। हमारे मराठी में कहते हैं मूर्ति लहान पर कीर्ति महान। The man looks small but his deeds, his words are so big. So let's see and let's listen to him.
Thank you, Nilam ji. First of all, very happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
चेतनारायण जी के लिए मेरी हमारी एक अलग बॉन्डिंग है, वो सभी के साथ हम नहीं शेयर कर सकते। एक सीक्रेट है, टॉप सीक्रेट। तो चेतनारायण जी के लिए मैं यही बोलूँगा, द मोस्ट pragmatic, optimistic and positive person I have ever met. कोई भी काम हो, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई भी टेंशन हो, इनका जो फेस, स्माइलिंग फेस हो जाएगा। और चेतनारायण जी के एक और क्वेश्चन जो आप रेस करते हैं ना, विष्णु जी, नीलम जी, कोई क्वेश्चन पुट कर दिया, तो जो इनका स्टाइल है, ये तो नहीं होगा, ये तो करना पड़ेगा। तो
ये कैसे होगा?
ये कैसे होगा? तो दैट्स इट। चेतनारायण जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।
अमित जी आप यहाँ पे आए हो तो मैं, अमित जी आप यहाँ पर आ चुके हो तो मैं, कल का हमारा जो डिस्कशन हुआ था अजीजी वाला, एक बार पोल बोलते थे, अजीजी वाला पोल बोलते ना, अरे खोल देते ना। देखो चेतनारायण ऐसा है, अगर आप चेतनारायण को कहीं लेके जाओ साथ में, आप अगर चेतनारायण को कहीं लेके जाओ साथ में, ध्यान से सुनना, हाँ टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस, यस, Louis, just listen carefully, just listen first. Whenever you take Chetnaran along with you, wherever you go, suppose you take Chetnaran along with you to a party, and in that party, you find some beautiful girls over there, and you just introduce Chetnaran to them. You have got Chetnaran in the party. He doesn't know anyone. You introduce Chetnaran to those girls, beautiful girls in the party. After the party, it will happen that the girls will not contact you; they'll directly contact Chetnaran. That has happened with Mr. Amit ji in the last 2 days. The reason is Chetnaran, the moment the girl is Nepali, Chetnaran influences that girl with all the Nepali dialogues, with mix of English and Hindi. The girl is so confused. At the end, she says, "Yes, this person is very good."
But she must be beautiful for that.
Every girl is beautiful for you.
True.
Yeah. So yes, Mr. Luis, come forward. We know we are waiting for you, and you are waiting for us.
But she must be beautiful for that.
Every girl is beautiful for you.
True.
Yeah. So yes, Mr. Luis, come forward. We know we are waiting for you, and you are waiting for us. Mr. Luis. The person himself.
Hello everyone. I just want to wish happy birthday to Narayan. I call him Narayan. You call him Chet Narayan. You can join it. Makes what is on the ID card or something. Many people have said beautiful things about him, and they are true. Amazing things. But sometimes we could miss why those things are there. So it's like you're seeing a beautiful tree, but you cannot harvest. Somebody wants I want that positive. I want those good things. I like it. I'll just say the reason why, and then it will say everything. for the time that I've known him for a couple of years now here in Dubai, he's a man of great foundation. See, his principles are very powerful. Once you are a man of principles, you cannot lose your way. You will always be positive because your positiveness comes from your principles which you have governed. So, he is plus 1 year old today. What is 1 year old signify? You go, he went round the sun, it's 1 year. He goes round the sun, it's 2 years. Round the sun. So when man goes round the sun fully, it makes 1 year. So, hello everyone. I just want to wish happy birthday to Narayan. I call him Narayan. You call him Chet Narayan. We can join it. Mix what is on the ID card or something. Many people have said beautiful things about him, and they are true. Amazing things. But sometimes we can miss why those things are there. So it's like you're seeing a beautiful tree, but you cannot harvest. Somebody wants I want that positive. I want those good things. I like it. I'll just say the reason why, and then he will say everything. For the time that I've known him for a couple of years now here in Dubai, he's a man of great foundation. See, his principles are very powerful. Once you are a man of principles, you cannot lose your way. You will always be positive because your positiveness comes from your principles which you have governed. So, he is plus 1 year old today. What is 1 year old signify? You go, he went round the sun, it's 1 year. He goes round the sun, it's 2 years. Round the sun. So when man goes round the sun fully, it makes 1 year. So, he has been going around the sun for so many years. And he has gained and absorbed the light that comes from sun. You know, without sun, man cannot live. Everything will die. And there is no life without light. When light comes in a room, darkness has no story. It must go away automatically. Narayan is like a light. When he walks in a room, he fills it with light. That's why the lady said, I love this guy. Because he brings the light. When he walks in a place of business, he shines the light. Businessmen say, oh, I want to be a part of the company. I want to be a part of Universal Citizen. And so we are seated here because of the beauty, because of the teamwork, because of the people that are there. People love Barcelona and all the good things because of the good players. We love the company and Universal Citizen because of the good men that are there. So I give an applause not just for him, I give an applause to the entire team. Happy birthday to him and happy birthday to all of you. Enjoy yourself.
After listening to you, Luis, one thing is clear. You are going to be the future president of your country. More important, that's for sure.
A lot of people say that.
See, the people say, but I can see that. Correct? So you are going to be the future president of your country?
Yes.
Not to forget the man, Mr. Mathura, please come forward. We are waiting to hear from you something different, unique, after the word positive, something different.
Hi, good evening everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me. First of all, happy birthday to you, Mr. Chet Narayan. Wish you all the best. So Mr. Chet, since long time and 5 years, मैं आपको हिंदी में भी बता दूँ. तो मेरे साथ जो मिस्टर चेत IPS से जो क्लोज, it's very positive. Always it's very positive. There is no any negative. क्योंकि जो मेरे साथ जो हमारे साथ जो 5 साल के जो हम लोग को जो दौरान है, उसके बाद वो मिस्टर चेत ऑलवेज मेरे लिए बोलते कि मथुरा यू हैव टू डू, ऑलवेज मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा सा जो गुड रास्ता से जो भी है मथुरा यू हैव टू गो दिस वे. इट्स वेरी पॉजिटिव. देयर इज नो एनी नेगेटिव. इट्स वेरी नाइस रियली. I like it. I like it. It's very nice. So it's always it's calling me मथुरा. तो मेरे को बोलते थे कि आओ प्लीज ऑफिस में आ जाओ. तो ठीक है आप आ जाओ. तो मेरे सबके साथ आपको मिलाऊंगा ये लेकिन मेरे पास तो टाइम भी नहीं था और मेरा डे मंडे को होता था. तो मैं कभी कोई काम के लिए इसे होता था. तो सॉरी फॉर डैट. इसलिए मैं भी अभी तक जो पहले वाला ऑफिस में गया था अभी जो न्यू ऑफिस है ना उसमें गया नहीं हूँ. तो इसके लिए बहुत मेरे लिए बहुत वेरी पॉजिटिव ऑलवेज रियली मेरे को 2 दिन पहले भी बोला था मथुरा इज वेरी रियली यू हैव टू डू रियली इज टेलिंग लाइक थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू अगेन मिस्टर चे एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे ऑल ऑफ यू एंड एंजॉय योर dinner and enjoy your birthday party. Thank you so much.
So मथुरा जी ने पॉजिटिव बोला है, सबने पॉजिटिव बोला है. चेतनारायण को इतना पॉजिटिव बोलते हैं मुझे कोविड पॉजिटिव की याद आ रही. जैसे बंदा कोविड पॉजिटिव होता था तो उसको क्वारंटाइन करते थे, करेक्ट? तो अब आज के बर्थडे के बाद चेतनारायण को 1 साल तक क्वारंटाइन करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इतना पॉजिटिव हो चुका है सब कुछ वहां, करेक्ट? सो वी मस्ट स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट. यस मिस्टर गौरव प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड.
अगर सपना आई तो फिर मैं क्वारंटाइन में जाऊंगा.
तुम वैसे भी क्वारंटाइन हो, चिंता मत करो. इधर दिख रहा है ना मिस्टर गौरव.
Thank you and happy birthday to you, sir.
Thank you.
I want to put this dialogue. Wow. I love it. I like it. This is the main dialogue he used to use. He's using it. And thank you all are here. I'm bringing it to the side.
It's okay. Mr. Yes, Pranita ji, it's fine. Pranita ji.
Kala.
Yes.
Thank you so much. First of all, happy birthday to you, sir. I met him 2 months ago, I think. 1.5 or 2 months ago. Since I met him, I know he is very friendly and very positive person. And that's it. Then, since that, I know him that he is very positive and friendly. In Nepali, I want to say, जन्मदिनको धेरै धेरै शुभकामना. Thank you so much.
Yes, not to forget, we are now, okay, yes, let's first complete the girls, then we'll go to the boys at the end and then I'll be there at the end. Yes, so Kala ji, आपकी कुछ कला दिखाइए. Show you some art, some kala, because there is some choba waiting to see your kala. So we are waiting to see the kala in Hindi especially in Hindi.
नेपाली भी चलेगा.
English, Hindi, last Nepal. For me, first English, Hindi, then Nepal.
सबैलाई नमस्कार. Happy birthday to you, चेतनारायण.
बोलना पड़ेगा ना. Now, see.
आप कितने दिन से यहाँ पर हो, करेक्ट? खाना खिलाती है उसको. कितनी बार तो खाना खाता है, करेक्ट चुपा? खाना खाता है. एक बार भी हमको नहीं बुलाया, उसको खिलाया. तो कुछ तो बोलो.
जन्मदिनको धेरै धेरै शुभकामना.
Okay, fine. Yes, I request the girl, who was a shy a little bit, but now she's not that shy. She's very much candid, clear. Miss Alisha, in a different sense.
This is something great. Okay, I'm audible, right? Happy birthday, Chetnarayan sir. ठीक है अभी? Okay. How I just feel about Chetnarayan sir is he is such kind of person. He can sell this spoon saying that it's made of silver, and people will believe it and they will buy it as well. So he has so much big impact, and he sells. Not only sells, he give the information or talk about it in such a way that everything is sold out. So he is that kind of person from my age. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, sir. Happy birthday.
Yes. So now, Pranjal. Yeah, whatever it may be. She, whatever, after few moments, whatever a beautiful video you're going to see, that video is made by Pranjal. But yes, she will share something. When she made the video, what memories that came to your mind when you met Mr. Chetnarayan for the first time, and what came in your mind, what you told me, you can share that.
No, your Habibi is always with you, and he is your son. You are his second wife. I'll not come in between.
Okay.
She's jealous.
No, it's not like that. It's not like that. She's just.
No.
Yes,
I'm not making that.
the macho man himself, Shivambai, please come forward. Faraz and Suman, be ready. You both have to come forward immediately after this.
First of all, I want to wish Chetnarayan ji a very happy birthday. And बाकी सबकी तरह I'm not going to use a word very positive. You just have my own journey with Chetnarayan ji. We have a lot of conflicts since day one. We usually debate a lot about different things. Like the reason is he have a very jolly nature, and I'm that kind of guy. Always be practical and I always be very straightforward. So still, as his nature, he's always be laughing. Shivam ji, ये चीज ऐसे भी हो सकती. Always be like, no problem. I will still remain with my jolly nature. So this is very, very few people I have seen in my life who just follow this kind of, nature, right? And I just want to, I always remind one event that we, both visit together. The event of that World Trade Center commodities, right? Maybe 100 of things are, different between me and Chetnarayan ji. There is one thing that is, same, similar. We love to connect and communicate with everyone. We never feel afraid कि किसी से क्या बात करनी. We always find, some reason to connect with anyone we love, right? So हम इवेंट में गए और चेतनारायण जी बोलते हैं शिवम जी दबाकर खाएंगे. किसी भी स्टॉल पे जा रहे हैं आइसक्रीम खाएंगे? नहीं, मैं नहीं खाऊंगा. बहुत टेस्टी, इट्स वेरी टेस्टी, खाइए. ठीक है. उसके बाद चेतनारायण जी ने बताया, मेरे को नहीं बताया कि जापान गए और उनको जापानीज आती है. हम एंड मोमेंट पे ये तक चलो खत्म करते हैं, एक जापानीज स्टॉल पे खड़े हो गए, उसका शुरू हो गए. ठीक है, ओनी-चान सायोनारा, वो भी बात कर रहे हैं, ये भी लगे हुए हैं. ठीक है, वो बंदा इनको ऑफर कर रहा है, ऑयस्टर ऑफर कर रहा है. The point is like I have never seen anyone who be very like why I am talking to him. Like everybody is very happy to connect with Chetnarayan. That's a very good point, and I wish that he remains the same throughout his life, and God give him a very blissful life and journey ahead. Thank you so much for having me today, and happy birthday again, Chetnarayan.
Yes, as you have rightly said, एक चीज मैं यहाँ पर सबको बताऊंगा जो शिवम ने कही है. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हर जगह होते हैं. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होने से प्यार बढ़ता है. और एक चीज जो शिवम की कही थी, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होना गलत नहीं होता है. इसलिए अक्सर कहते हैं if you have differences in opinion, listen very carefully. If you have differences in opinion, it is always good. If you have differences in opinion, it's always good. But if you have differences in heart, it is never good. मतभेद होने चाहिए, मनभेद नहीं होने चाहिए. So that is something amazing, amazing. Yes. And yes, Karima, please.
तो बोलो ना कुछ तो एक इंसिडेंट था जब मेट्रो पे चढ़े थे लाइक एक सेकंड में उन्होंने अपना कार्ड निकाल कर एक लड़की को दे दिया और मेरे को बोलते हैं लुक शी इज माय न्यू गर्लफ्रेंड नाउ
गरिमा ने अभी 30 सेकंड्स में चेतनारायण को किल कर दिया है बिकॉज गरिमा ने एग्जैक्टली चेतनारायण का डायलॉग चेतनारायण को चिपका दिया जो अक्सर चेतनारायण लोगों को मिलने के बाद कहता है ना हाउ यू ब्यूटीफुल, तो ऐसे ही गरिमा बोलती है हैप्पी बर्थडे ब्यूटीफुल, नंबर 1। और नंबर 2 चेतनारायण कैसे मेट्रो में खास करके लड़कों को नहीं सिर्फ लड़कियों को कार्ड देता है विजिटिंग का, उसके बारे में बता दिया। यस, सो यस मिस्टर हीरा,
कार्ड दिया, मेट्रो कार्ड दिया था।
Mr. Hira, we are waiting for you.
First of all, thank you so much to invite us here, me and my wife and our whole family. And first of all, I will say to you, many, many happy return of the day. Happy birthday, my dear sir. And I will tell you one thing about him. As my wife said, we meet around 2 months or around 1.5 months. Then when we meet him, we meet like friendly, like I invite to him in my room. It's the first time he came in my room. Like when I talk to him and when I see the face about for him, like I got someone very special in our life. Because we are working in Dubai, it is not our country, but very hardly find the person like who is taken as a family. But he is the very best person, like I get as a, like very, very, like my brother. Yeah? Something like that. कुछ गलत हुआ क्या? नहीं है ना? Okay. मैं वही बोलना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि आदमी को ढूंढने से भी नहीं मिलते अपने लोग जो हमको अभी दुबई में मिला है। हम इधर है, हम इधर रहेंगे forever. Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
यस सुमन एंड फराज, आप दोनों के मैं इन्वाइट कर रहा हूँ आगे बिकॉज आप दोनों के बगैर चेतन जी का बर्थडे कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकता है। फराज और सुमन प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड। यस, इन दोनों के बगैर यूनिवर्सल सिटीजन नहीं है, यूएनसी नहीं है। गाइस, अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू फराज एंड सुमन। You both are the real gems of universal citizen. We are very, very proud of you. Yes, please.
Sir, happy birthday. मेरी तो आपसे इतनी मुलाकात नहीं हुई, लेकिन जो भी हुई है अमेजिंग हुई है। तो आपकी स्माइल हो गया।
I just want to say very, very happy birthday.
Thank you.
You can share something.
Something.
No fruits. Okay. कोई
अभी आप बाकी हैं।
हाँ? What is it? हाँ, yeah, now we come to the point. Correct. So the time is for birthday bumps. Okay. If I start speaking, maybe we'll have to sit here the whole night. But yes, I'll share a few moments of mine with him. Whatever I remember, and I really find that person. How exactly we met. You know, in any relationship, whether it is a brotherhood relationship, whether it is a boyfriend-girlfriend relationship, whether it is a husband-wife relationship, whether it is any kind of relationship, one thing is very important, and that relationship has to grow slowly, steadily. That relationship should have fights, that relationship should have difference of opinion. Again, I say difference of opinion. When I met Chetnaran, from that day till today, one thing is definitely common. That is, all have said that word. What is that word? Positive. That positivity is always there. And what I feel, sometimes I really thank God that when I came to Universal Citizens, especially when I came to Dubai, my journey with Universal Citizens started because of this person on the right hand side. He was the person who introduced me to Vishnuji. I was I never met Vishnuji before, but he forced me that I should meet Vishnuji, and yes, whatever journey I have, it's amazing. Wow, it's beautiful. You know, Habibi, it's everything lovely. It's simply wow. And on this note, definitely I really feel that we all must come together and give him a birthday bomb like that. You know, a bomb like that he remembers throughout his life, never dares to again call everyone on cruise together. So like that, please come forward, all of you. Please, and especially those people who have something in heart to kill that person, you know. Let's share, because in front of public we show like that, but now, yes, I'm going to kill you. Please, please come forward. Here, not here. Please. Birthday bombs. आपकी भी आओ, यही बनता है, ये बिल नहीं पे करने वाला, मारो, पहले मार दो, ये जो बिल नहीं पे करता उसको मारते हैं, आ जाओ सुनो, जो बिल नहीं पे करता उसको मारते हैं, चलो, लुइस, come forward, राजकुमार, please, जो नहीं मारेगा, उसका भगवान दुबई में ग्रोथ नहीं करेगा, जिसको दुबई में ग्रोथ चाहिए, वो ठोकेगा, जिसको दुबई में ग्रोथ चाहिए, वो ठोकेगा, जिसको दुबई में ग्रोथ चाहिए, वो ठोकेगा, जिसको ग्रोथ चाहिए, वो ठोकेगा, जिसको ग्रोथ नहीं चाहिए, वो नहीं ठोकेगा, जिसको ग्रोथ नहीं चाहिए, वो नहीं ठोकेगा, देखो ग्रोथ, दुबई में ग्रोथ चाहिए, तो ठोको, you want to grow in Dubai, you want to grow, then kill. Wow. You want to grow in Dubai? You want your visa? Quickly, hit it. You want your episode quickly? Hit it. You have double growth. Okay, great. Please, everyone sit down. Happy birthday to
Naran sir.
Julia, Mr. Chen.
ये कहनी है
Play.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Hussein. Happy birthday to you. Wow. तपाईँ आफ्नै सोचेका कुरा गर्नु न आफ्नै कामहरू छिट्टै नै पुरा हुँदै जाउँ हामी तपाईँको साथमा नभए पनि तपाईँलाई हामी यहाँ बसेर धेरै मिस गरेका छौँ र तपाईँलाई यो वर्ष शुभ हुँदै जाओस् तपाईँको आज शुभ दिनमा हाम्रा भगवान्हरू इष्टदेवी देवी देवताहरू नित्य देवी देवताहरू र हामीले मान्ने बुझ्ने भएका देवी देवताहरूको शिर सदैव तपाईँको साथमा शिरमा भइरहोस् र तपाईँको यो सानो सेलिब्रेसनमा तपाईँहरूमा आउनुभएका तपाईँका साथीहरू र उहाँलाई हृदयदेखि धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु र अर्को साल फेरि अहिले हामी तपाईँ साथमा हुन नपाए अर्को साल तपाईँको साथमा भएर योभन्दा अझै राम्रो हुँदै बर्थडे मनाउन पाऊँ यही तपाईँलाई शुभकामना दिन चाहन्छु म श्रीमानज्यू र मलाई यस्तो लाग्छ म यो संसारको एकदमै सबैभन्दा भाग्यशाली केही हुँ जो तपाईँलाई यस्तो खुसी दिने श्रीमान पाएको छु र तपाईँलाई फेरि अगेन जे भने पनि तपाईँलाई जन्मदिनको धेरै धेरै शुभकामना मिस यू बाई Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Baba. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Baba. We miss you a lot. I also miss you a lot.
Yes. So that surprise was not known to Chetnarayan that we had kept. That was from Sardaji, Pragusa and Pranay. Yes, please take your place, everyone. We are going to start with the most wonderful evening of the night. अभी जो सिर्फ ट्रेलर था, पिक्चर भी बाकी है में दोस्त. Please sit down. Please sit down. Thank you. And even the UNC group, I am giving you 1 minute to decide the funniest name for your UNC group. Because the game which we are going to play right now, this game starts with the name what you give to your group. आप आपके ग्रुप को क्या नाम देते हो वहां से इस गेम की शुरुआत होती है. Because बर्थडे मिस्टर चेक का है, मैं आपको बता दूं आप आपके ग्रुप को क्या फनी नाम देते हो उसको 500 पॉइंट्स है हर ग्रुप को. 500 पॉइंट्स क्या फनी नाम देते हो. फनीएस्ट नाम जिसका ग्रुप का होगा उसको 500 पॉइंट मिलेंगे. So I give you 1 minute. You can come together, discuss. No problem. You can come together, discuss. 1 minute to decide the funniest name for your group. And I will call any person sitting around here. मैं किसी को भी randomly बुलाऊंगा. I can call Mrs. Kala, or I can call Dola. Anyone. I can call Faraz. Anyone to give the group name, and he has to give. So I request you 1 minute to decide the funniest name. Quickly. Your time starts now.
बाबा जी नाम देना चाहिए.
चेतन से ब्लॉग में कुछ कहना है आपको? कुछ भी नहीं. आप लोग
I ask the Nepali group what is the funniest name you have kept for your group name. Quickly, Mr. Luis.
Bamsi Bong Kong Kong.
Bamsi Bong Kong Kong. Bamsi Bong Kong Kong. Bamsi. What does that mean?
Money is very good.
Money is very good. Okay. Bamsi Bong Kong. Bamsi Bong Kong. Bamsi Bong Kong Kong.
Yes, Bamsi Bong Kong Kong.
I remember only Bam Bam. Okay.
Should be together, Bam Bam.
Yes, I request the UNC group, Mr. Shivam, to give the name of the group. Shivam, quickly. Please. No, you can tell me, no problem.
देखो सोचा नहीं था बट ऐसे दिमाग में एक लेडी का नाम आ रहा था उसको हम बोलते हैं चाची ताड़का. टीम चाची ताड़का.
टीम चाची ताड़का. टीम चाची ताड़का. टीम चाची ताड़का. और Bouncing bang bang bang. So 500 point goes to Nepali group. They have won this first round. Bouncing bang bang. Come on, but it's good. So the first round, the Nepali group has given a very unique name. So I give them that 500 points. And yes, Team UNC, you need to come together because it doesn't come in office. It has to be outside also. Office is different. This is the real test. Keep in mind. Yes. So with that note, we start our first wonderful event of the evening, wherein the team Nepali is leading. Bouncing bang bang. Bouncing bang bang. Bouncing bang bang. Okay. So the team Bouncing bang bang. The first question to you, team Bouncing bang bang. Now, before we start that event, team Bouncing bang bang. I'm asking you, team Bouncing bang bang. How you going to do team Bouncing bang bang? That we are going to start with a wonderful Antakshari which includes Hindi and Nepali songs both. So खड़े खड़े क्रूज में करना है कुछ काम, खड़े खड़े क्रूज में करना है कुछ काम, कर लो शुरू अंताक्षरी लेके नेपाल और इंडिया का नाम, लेके बॉलीवुड और नेपाली टॉलीवुड का नाम. So yes, with that note, Nepali is leading. Bouncing bang bang, bouncing bang bang, bouncing bang bang, bouncing bang bang. Okay, so the team Bouncing bang bang. The first question to you, team Bouncing bang bang. Now, before we start that event, we are going to start with a wonderful Antakshari, which includes Hindi and Nepali songs both. So, खड़े खड़े क्रूज में करना है कुछ काम, खड़े खड़े क्रूज में करना है कुछ काम, कर लो शुरू अंताक्षरी लेके नेपाल और इंडिया का नाम, लेके बॉलीवुड और नेपाली टॉलीवुड का नाम. So yes, with that note, team Bouncing bang bang. With that, Mr. Choba, the first word comes to you. Ma.
Sing a song for the mom. Start from mom.
Start from mom.
तिमीलाई माया गर्छु अरु कुनै चाह छैन.
प्यारा?
No.
प्यारा ना. So the team Chachi Tadka will get the word na.
कौन गा रहा है?
Nepali song.
नेपाली song?
One Nepali with Nepali.
कैसे गाएंगे?
विष्णु सर.
नेपाली no.
No. No.
आइए कमल मिलना.
No. You can.
So you can enter over here.
चेतनारायण का फेवरेट सॉन्ग.
नहीं.
मलाई त्यही केटी चाहिन्छ. मलाई त्यही केटी चाहिन्छ.
Yes.
उसका मतलब क्या है?
So what is the last word alphabet? Cha. So now you cha na. So you have to sing a Hindi song from the word cha. Hindi song now. The team Bouncing bang bang.
Even English also you can use.
I'm asking you to sing a song. Bouncing bang bang. Team cha. Tick 1. Tick 2. Cha. Tick 3. Cha. Tick 4. Team Bouncing bang bang. Money is good, but marks are more good. Money is good, but marks are more good. Sing. No, only Hindi.
झमक चलो जरा धीरे चलो.
Listen. Okay. No problem. No problem. We'll take that. Chammak challo. No.
तेरी चैन चुरा लूं चम्मा चम्मा
चम्मा चम्मा
Okay, so chamma chamma, ma. The word ma comes to again. Team chachi ka tadka, chachi tadka, chachi tadka. You have the word ma.
हिंदी ना
Hindi, now Hindi, now Hindi.
मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए आके मुझे छेड़ जाए उसे कहो कभी सामने जो आए मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए ए ए से अभी नेपाली ए
From A, you have to sing the song Nepali. One Hindi, one Nepali. Now Nepali song.
यो पनि आउँछ नि यो
No, only A. A.
आए यो
A.
तुमको आता है क्या ए से नेपाली
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13
Okay, so they are saying there is no Nepali song with A. I asked the team Chachi ka tadka. Chachi ka tadka. Do you have any song with the word Nepali? A. Chachi ka tadka. If you want to sing a song, then you can win the points. Chachi ka tadka. Chachi ka tadka. Last, Chichik 1. Nepali song you have with the word A.
ले
Last, tick 1, tick 2, tick 3,
अरे बोलो ना जल्दी
tick 4, tick 5. You have to sing quickly. Quickly.
What is song? वही ना ए से
Last, no, sorry, you are not the points.
So Team Chachi ka tadka is of no use. Team Chachi ka tadka. Team Bong Sik Bong Bong is leading the game. Oh, so you all are waiting for that wonderful moment. Yes. So now guys, be ready. I'm going to play lyrics. I'm going to play lyrics of Nepali item song. And 2 members from your group,
Need to come in. Come on.
definitely 2 females and 2 males, have to come forward and have to perform on that item song to make sure that the group wins 1,000 points. Before we go to that, let me give the score for this so far. The team Bong Sik Bong Kong is leading with 700 points, and the team U Chachi ka tadka is having 200 points. So team Bong Sik Bong Kong is leading with almost 500 points. Now this round, every song, item song, is going to give you 1,000 points. So picture me, baki hai. Yes. So I request Team Bong Sik Bong Kong, decide the 4 members from your group, Team Bong Sik Bong Kong, and please ask them to come forward. Team Bong Sik Bong Kong. 2 boys and 2 girls. 2 boys and 2 girls. Shall I? 2 boys and 2 girls from Team Bong Sik Bong Kong.
वो बात
I'll start.
जो वो नहीं वो भी नेपाली है ना
Okay, Team
Nepali song. One Nepali with Nepali. One Nepali, one Nepali. No.
होइन तपाईँले मिल्दैन
No.
मिल्दैन टिम हो नि त
ल चेतनारायणका फेभरेट सङ नाइ मलाई त्यही केटी चाहिन्छ नाइ मलाई त्यही केटी चाहिन्छ मलाई त्यही केटी चाहिन्छ नाइ
मलाई 4 चाहिन्छ मलाई 5 चाहिन्छ
Yes. So
So what was the last word? Alphabet? Ch. So now you ch na. So you have to sing a Hindi song from the word ch.
मेरे साथ आऊं राजा तेरी चैन चुरा लूं चम्मा चम्मा ओ चम्मा चम्मा.
Okay, so chamma chamma. Ma, the word ma comes to again. Team chachi ka tadka, chachi tadka, chachi tadka. You have the word ma.
हिंदी ना
Hindi, now Hindi. Now Hindi.
मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए आके मुझे छिड़ जाए उसे कहो कभी सामने जो आए मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए ऐसे अभी नेपाली
Tick 1, tick 2, tick 3,
अरे बोलो ना जल्दी
tick 4, tick 5. You have to sing quickly.
Yes.
Quickly.
What is
Can't finish.
why not
Last. Oh, no, sorry, you are not got the points.
So team chachi ka tadka is of no use. Team chachi ka tadka. Team box bom bom is leading the game. Oh, so you all are waiting for that wonderful moment. Yes. Lyrics. I'm going to play lyrics of Nepali item song. And 2 members from your group, definitely 2 females and 2 males, have to come forward and have to perform on that item song to make sure that your group wins 1,000 points. Before we go to that, let me give you the score for this so far. The team Bangkok is leading with 700 points, and the team U Chachi ka tadka is having 200 points. So team Bangkok is leading with almost 500 points. Now this round, every song, item song, is going to give you 1,000 points. So picture me, baki hai. Yes. So I request Team Bangkok decide the 4 members from the group, Team Bangkok, and these are going to come from Team Bangkok. 2 boys and 2 girls. 2 boys and 2 girls. Shall I? 2 boys and 2 girls from Team Bangkok.
Wait. Dance. Huh? From your group, Chachi ka tadka, for the Nepali song.
जवानी का
Tadka. 1000 points to Team Chachika Tadka. So now the new African president is dancing on a Nepali item song. Give me center, उसको center में लो, center में लो. Go ahead. Wow! What a Udre ko choli yaar. Udre ko choli yaar. African choli Udre ko. Yeah, so the team Bangsu Bangkok again gets 1000 points for team Bangsu Bangkok. And now the team Chachika Tadka, new 4 members from team Chachika Tadka, new 4 members.
이거 만화 없다네요.
Four members scored, there are only 3. Again, 1,500 points for every song. 1,500 points. But before that, the score is Team Chachika Tadka. Team Chachika Tadka is 1,950 points. Team Chachika Tadka. And the team Bangsu Bangkok is leading the chart with 2,700 points. Team Chachika Tadka is lagging Team Bangsu Bangkok 2,750 points. The last round carries 1,500 points. 2 songs to both the team. You have to guess. Okay, I'll give open round. Let's give it an open round. Listen, open round. I'll put forward 4 songs, 5 songs, as much as you say. The team that raises the hand first will get the chance to sing the song. Is it clear? The team that raises the hand first. I'll be using English words. I'll be using English words for the Nepali song. I'll be using English words for the Nepali song. And you have to guess that Nepali song. And if you guess it correctly, you'll get 1,500 points. I start with the first word. Eternal and unbreakable. 1,500 points for every song. 1,500 points. But this is leading the chart with 2,700 points. Team Chachika Tadka is lagging Team Bangsu Bangkok 2,750 points. The last round carries 1,500 points. 2 songs to both the team. You have to guess. Okay, I'll give open round. Let's give it an open round. Listen, open round. I'll put forward 4 songs, 5 songs, as much as you say. The team that raises the hand first will get the chance to sing a song. Is it clear? The team that I'll play a song, you have to dance, correct?
이거 만화 없다네요.
Four members, four, there are only three.
Everyone, please start your dinner. सब लोग डिनर स्टार्ट कर दो.
Makeup.
एक मिनट सब लोग प्लीज. एक मिनट.
One group photo in here.
एक बार एक मिस्टर चेत का था और मिस्टर चेत ने अपना जो फैसला लिया था उस फैसले को जिस तरह से हम सबको इनवाइट करके आज के इस इवेंट को सब लोगों ने इस शाम को बहुत ही रंगीन बनाया, इसलिए मैं सबको चेत की तरफ से, हबीबी की तरफ से, माय लव की तरफ से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और आशा करता हूँ कि अगला बर्थडे फिर से इसी क्रूज पर हो जाए आपके सामने।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yes, please. देखो क्रूज पर अगर बर्थडे पार्टी दोगे तो ऐसा होगा, क्रूज पर बर्थडे पार्टी देने पर ये मिलता है।
For all our team, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
With units. 6 tokens. 6 digits.
Not enough 5.
With units.
Thank you.
He gets employee stock option plans, ESOPs in the company of almost 5% equity.
Thank you. We are already joined, huh? We are already joined. Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
अजीमो शान शहंशाह,
अजीमो शान शहंशाह,
मरहबा
मरहबा।
सुनो ना,
सुनो ना,
सुनो ना,
आज रमाइलो भयो।
चलो ना।
आज रमाइलो भयो।